Welcome back. Let us recap what we saw in the last video. A patent is an exclusive right given to the inventor, and in return, the inventor needs to teach working and building his invention. Only a product or a process can be patented, provided it is novel, it must have an inventive step, must have an industrial applicability, and must not fall in non patentable subject matter. Now, in this video, we will see what are not inventions or what are not non patentable subject matter. An invention which claims anything contrary to the well established natural laws is not patentable. Any invention which causes harm to human beings, animals, plants, environment, or health is not patentable. Mere discovery of living thing or a non-living thing occurring in nature is not patentable. However, let us say that you develop an advanced telescope that helps in discovery of stars. That is a patentable subject matter subject to legal requirements. New use of a known substance is not a patentable subject matter. This is section 3D of Indian Patent Act, and we would look into the details in subsequent videos. This actually prevents evergreening of pharmaceutical based patents. Please be informed that this is a non patentable subject matter as per Indian patent laws. In jurisdictions outside India, a new use of known substance or new form of known substance may be patentable. I would strongly advise the viewers to seek specialist help. A mere mixture of two or more substances resulting in aggregation of properties is not patentable. Again, this non-patentability is as per Indian patent laws. In jurisdictions outside India, any novel mixture with inventive step may be patentable. Even in this case, I would strongly advise the viewers to seek specialist help. Topography of integrated circuits is not patentable subject matter. It is protected under Semiconductor Layout Design Act. Presentation of information or doing business is not patentable. A method of doing business. Again, non-patentability related to business method is as per Indian patent laws. In jurisdictions outside India, this may be patentable. Again, in this case as well, I would strongly advise the viewers to seek specialist help. Method of playing a game or method of performing mental act or rules of doing something is not patentable. However, let us say that you end up developing an apparatus that detects if a batsman is out or not out. That apparatus is patentable, subject to its legal requirements. Method of doing a surgery or treatment is not patentable. However, a robot performing a surgery is patentable, subject to legal requirements, and there are many patents around that. Again, non-patentability of method of treatment is as per Indian patent laws. In jurisdictions outside India, this may be patentable. I would strongly advise the viewers to seek specialist help. Method of farming, agriculture, horticulture is not a patentable subject matter. Even new plants are not patentable. They are protected under Plant Variety Act. However, if you develop a robot that helps in farming subject to legal requirements, it could be patentable. Or a method of modifying the genetic makeup of plants is a patentable subject matter. A mathematical formula is not a patentable. Same goes with algorithms per se. Anything related to atomic energy is not a patentable subject matter. Again, anything that bases on traditional knowledge by application or duplication of traditionally known substances, components, again, it's not patentable. Mere arrangement or rearrangement of known devices operating independent of each other is not a patentable subject matter. In the next video, let us look at a case study where an inventor got a license signed even before patent got granted. This is a real life case study. Thank you.